Jesus loves you. Always remember that. You can always put your trust in Jesus, and He will direct your path and show you what true love is. He will give you the love that you've never felt before, that is really beautiful and peaceful and so overwhelming in a beautiful way. So filling, so comforting, so lovely, so gracious, so kind, so peaceful, so gentle, and so beautiful. So beautiful. So yeah, remember, Jesus loves you so much. I love you, but Jesus loves you the most. Bye.